Hello children, good morning to you all. I am going to detail page number 48 and 49 in this video. This is the rest part of the chapter 8, The Hack Driver, from your book Footprints Without Feet. So let's see children here the paragraph. He was so open and friendly. But before that, in the last video you came to know that the narrator, that is the clerk, replied that it was very urgent to find Lutikins as he had to go back to the city by the afternoon train. So to this, the delivery man, that is the hack driver, said that he had a horse cart, cab, okay, and he would help him in finding Lutikins. Moreover, he further said that he knew all those places where Lutkins spent his free time. Now let's move on to the paragraph. He was so open and friendly. See children, the narrator, who was the junior assistant clerk, was impressed by the friendly and caring behavior of the delivery man. The delivery man is here Oliver Lutkins, who had offered to take him in his hack, in his horse cart. He says that though he knew that he was trying to earn some money from the narrator, but the hack driver accepted his offer because he was a very nice man. See, why did he accept him? You know, children, he accepted the hack driver's offers because the hack driver was a very nice man. The hack driver quality had appealed the narrator, who was the junior assistant clerk. It was because of his nice and friendly behavior that he accepted the offer, but he cracked the deal at $2 per hour. So narrator got ready to get in his hack, in his horse cart, because of his friendly behavior, and he was a nice person. But the hack driver had cracked the deal, and the deal was of $2 per hour. As it is given, you can see $2 per hour. So, and later on, the delivery man brought his horse cart and offered him to sit. The clerk, that is the narrator, thought of the kindness and the helpful nature of the villagers who helped a stranger and took his problem as his own. See, this junior assistant clerk, that's the narrator, was thinking about the kindness and helping attitude of the people. He felt that the villagers were very helpful to the strangers, and the villagers also took the narrator's problem as their own problems. Now coming to the next paragraph, he said, I don't want to interfere. See children, the delivery man started a conversation. Okay, he started a conversation with the clerk and inquired if he had to take back his money from Lutkins. He also told him that Lutkins never paid back his debt. Debt means, what do you mean by debt means? The owing money. Okay, an obligation to pay money. So actually, they, both of them went to where? To take back his money from Lutkin, and he also told him that Lutkins never paid back any of due money, debt money, or obligation to pay money. He too had to take back 50 cents. Cents meaning the least amount. Like in India we say paisa, so cent is the least amount, from which he had won in the poker game. What is a poker game, children? Poker game means it is a game like playing cards. So, from him, The delivery man, that is the hack driver, regretted being a fool who played with Lutkins, though he was aware of his nature of non-payment of money. Now see the delivery man, that is the hack driver. He felt so sorry, he regretted being a fool because he tried to cheat Lutkins, though he was aware of his nature of non-payment of money. So this driver, that is the hack driver, was knowing the nature of Oliver Lutkins. In another way we can say, children, this hack driver himself was Oliver Lutkins, and he was also popularly known as Bill Magnuson in the village. Coming to here, later on he suggested that he not to come in front of Lutkins because his fancy clothes could make Lutkins doubt him and could give him a chance to run away. So he told him to stay behind him at Fritz's shop. See, the hack driver had already warned the narrator. Actually, the narrator had come in search of Oliver Lutkins because Oliver's presence in the court was very important for a case. The hack driver told the narrator that the narrator must not come in front of Oliver Lutkins. Otherwise, this Oliver Lutkins could give him a chance to run away. In case he might run away, so it could be better that narrator must stay behind at the back of the fridge shop. Now coming to the next paragraph, children, I loved him for this. Now, as the hack driver was working hard for him, see, this hack driver was very cooperative, very supportive and helpful to the narrator. So, the hack driver was working hard for him. He told him the truth behind his search. He also told him that Lutkins was a witness in a very important case. Who said this? The narrator told the hack driver that Oliver Lutkin was a witness in a very important case, but he was not helping them out by giving him the details. That information of Lutkins could help them in solving the case quickly. Now, children, the driver heard all this seriously. Who was the driver here? Who was the driver? The hack driver. He heard all this earnestly. Earnestly meaning, children, seriously. And then hit on the clerk's shoulder and said that they would surprise Lutkins by catching him and fulfilling the clerk's purpose. So, the hack driver warned the narrator to stay behind the fridge shop and they will go to the poker place in search of Lutkins. Okay. And the narrator also, the hack driver also told the narrator that he has to be silent there and all the rest work will be done by the hack driver. See, children, you have to pay attention here that wherever the narrator and hack driver went in search of Oliver Lutkin, it was the hack driver who went to search and the narrator always stayed behind him. The narrator didn't go for any question query for Oliver Lutkins. Rather, the hack driver only went and made a query about Oliver Lutkins. Now see, children, next line here given. Let's start driver. You can see the paragraph, this one given. So they proceeded now. They start their search for Lutkins. Now here both the hack driver and the narrator started searching for Lutkin. On their way, the hack driver introduced himself as Bill or Magnuson and said that his business was called William Magnuson Fancy Carting and Hacking. See, a very lengthy. Who said these children? The hack driver is popularly known as Big Bill or Magnuson. And since he is a hack driver, so completely he is popular as William Magnuson, fancy carting and hacking. The clerk replied in a very friendly way that now he and Bill should begin their search mission. So the clerk, that is the narrator, also said in a very friendly way to Bill, that hack driver, that now both of them will begin their search mission. And the search mission was to search Oliver Lutkin. Bill also told him that Lutkins was fond of playing poker and also praised his ability to cheat others. See, the hack driver told the narrator, he gave a good information about Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver said that Oliver Lutkins was very fond of, he loved playing poker games. So they felt that it could be better that they will go to the poker place to search Oliver Lutkins. This made the clerk imagine about Bill that had he been a policeman. Now the clerk was thinking, the narrator was thinking about Bill, this hack driver, that had he been a policeman, he would have caught Lutkins in a very respectful manner. Not only this, he would have felt bad to put that man in jail. Okay, children? Here, deceiving, you can see, children, deceiving meaning cheating and regret means to feel sorry. So, the narrator simply made a fun that if the hack driver could have been a policeman, he could have caught Lutkins in a very respectful manner and put him behind the jail. Now coming to the next line, children. Bill led him, you can see, into Frid's. Have you seen Oliver? From there you can see here. Bill took the clerk, the narrator, to Frid's shop and inquired about Oliver Lutkins. So both of went to Frid's shop and had a question query about Oliver Lutkins. He tried to appear natural. The hack driver tried to behave like a natural man by saying that his friend had come to meet him. The hack driver did this to make Fridge tell the truth about Lutkins. Why did the hack driver do? Firstly, the hack driver wanted to impress the narrator, impress the clerk, that he is doing his real business to search Oliver Lutkins. So he asked Fridge that a friend of Oliver Lutkins had come to meet him. At first, Fridge was confused, but then he said that Lutkins was there a few hours ago, but he left for Gustav's shop, where he had gone for a shave. Now, Fridge, the owner of the shop, was little bit confused what to tell about Oliver Lutkin. Then, after a few hours ago, he said that Lutkin was just there a few hours ago, but Lutkin has left for Gustav's shop. Gustav was the barber, where he had gone for a shave. After getting the information, Bill asked Fridge to convey a message to Lutkins that he was looking for him. Okay, children? Now coming to the next paragraph, we drove to Gustav's bar. Now after that, where did both of them go now? Next, both the narrator, that is the clerk, and the hack driver went to Gustav's shop. Here also, Bill went, you can see here the word it is given lingered. Lingered means waited around. Okay, children? Lingered meaning waited around. So, both of them, the narrator, they went to the Gustav shop. Here also Bill went inside the shop first. The clerk waited. Okay. See, wherever both the hack driver and the clerk, the narrator, went in search of Oliver Lutkin, it was the hack driver who went first to have questions or information about Oliver Lutkins, and the narrator always stayed behind. This time also, when they went to Gustav's shop, Will went inside the shop first and the clerk waited for him outside. They had to face the anger of the hairdresser, the barber, because Lutkins had not paid his $35. See, Lutkin still had not given the payment of $35 to that barber Gustav. But one of the customers told them that he had seen Lutkins in the main street near the hotel. Now see, there were many customers, but one of the customers, as Gustav said, told and gave information about Oliver Lutkins, that he had seen Oliver Lutkins in the main street near the hotel. So now next children, coming to the next paragraph, as we climbed. So when they were about to climb the hack again to get in the horse cart, Bill guessed that Lutkins may have gone to Gray's barber shop. Now another barber, that is Gray barber shop. You can see a word was given, Swede, native of Sweden, we say Sweden. So Bill guessed that Lutkins may have gone to barber shop, Gray barber shop, as his credit limit with Gustav had ended. So credit limit, because Oliver Lutkins had already to give him, his money was still owing. So now it was of no use to go to Gustav shop. So he has changed the shop from Gustav barber shop. Oliver had gone to Grace barber shop because his credit limit with Gustav was finished, over. But when they reached Grace shop, they came to know that Lutkins left the place just 5 minutes ago. So here also they could not find Lutkins, because that owner, that barber said Lutkin has left just 5 minutes before. They decided to visit the pool room now. What is a pool room, children? Actually, pool room is a betting shop, a place to play pool, have bets, like we bet on money, we bet on certain points and invest our money. So it is a betting shop. Someone told them that he had left after buying cigarettes. So when they reached the pool room, there also Oliver was not found because he left after buying their cigarettes. So their attempts to catch him were all in vain. Everything was useless, all was in futile, because the narrator, that's the clerk, junior assistant clerk, along with the hack driver, both of them went first to free shop, then secondly to the poker game, then third to Gustav shop, fourth to Gray shop, and after that they came to pool room, but wherever they went, they could not find Oliver Lutkins. Oliver Lutkins did not come in the hand of the narrator. So their search went in vain. Everything was futile, useless. Almost after half an hour had passed, it was 1 o'clock in the afternoon, and the clerk was very hungry. The narrator was very hungry. But Bill's cheerfulness, the hack driver's cheerfulness, and his knowledge about the villagers was so delightful for him that he hardly bothered to find Lutkins. So at that time, though narrator was feeling very hungry, but the friendly cheerfulness and all his knowledge about Oliver Lutkins, he saw that Bill has lot of information about Oliver Lutkins, and also he was delightful wherever he went, wherever the hack driver went to search Oliver Lutkins. The hack driver had been so kind, so friendly, and so cheerful to give information about Oliver Lutkins. So these all things had hardly bothered to find Oliver Lutkins. So children, up to page number 49 is over. Now the next page numbers 50 and 51 will be continued in the next video. Till then children, bye to you all. Thank you.